this video, I'm going to teach you how to use DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Mini 4 Pro, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use it. Keep in mind that these general instructions will also apply for any other model. So first, make sure that the controller and the actual drone are good to go, properly charged. I recommend charging them fully. The indicator is going to be these little balls that you see right above the connector. So you can plug it into any valid power outlet using a standard power adapter. So just like the one that you use for your phone, you plug it in using a USB cable and then you plug it into any power outlet. Once it is receiving power, these icons here are going to be filled one by one until all 4 LEDs are lit up, indicating that it is fully charged. If you have the battery pack, you can also charge 3 batteries at once. So keep that in mind. This isn't going to be needed, but it is a nice way to make the most out of the time with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. To power it on, press this button once and then press and hold. So you press it once and then you press and hold. This should prompt to wake up the device. You can do the exact same thing on the controller as well. So you press the button once and then you press and hold. And of course, the same motion can be used to power off the device once you are done using it. Once you have the controller on for the first time, you will have to set it up. So choose the preferred language, go through the setup process. I'm not going to cover everything. Overall, it is very intuitive. And of course, you need to set it up on your own time according to your own preferences. You need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to download necessary updates. And once everything has been downloaded and set up, the last thing that you need is the DJI Fly app. So look for the DJI Fly app on your smartphone. And once you have the DJI Fly app, it is going to automatically connect the controller to your phone. With the controller connected to your phone, you will now be able to use the DJI Fly application in conjunction with the controller. So place down the Mini 4 Pro, and on the controller, you should see the option to take off. You also have a bunch of options. Sadly, for this video, I cannot cover all of them in this video. So it is supposed to be just an initial guide on how to set up and use it for the first time, but you should spend some minutes tweaking everything according to your preferences. As long as you use the takeoff button and you have the DJI Fly application, you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.